Sharon! After 10 years,
broke my heart out of New Caledonia. Guess I'm going out of style. She's got drugs to give herself wings, but I'm still growing mine. Now I sweat in the back while I'm holding my breath, 'cause I'm running out of calling time. I guess it won't hurt what my mother don't see. I should've known it from the start. And it's cool if you wanna talk, you wanna talk, it's you. It's you wanna talk to. Talk!
Hi guys! Sharon!
Wala dapat kami eh.
Oh,
Nice!
after 10 years?
Ay,
Wow, sa
wala
wakas.
tayong may pambayad ka? Ha?
Ba't ngayon ka lang? Kanina pa kami.
Ang ating para...
Main event? Hindi mo kasi... Diba? Oh, lonely is the night. Hi guys. Hindi ko. Ma, namiss kita.
Umorte mo!
O, sala yung isa.
Bakay!
Sino pa?
Bawa mo! Yan na bawa! Bawa!
Tukarin, wala ko eh.
Ay, naku, Toro family talaga! Guys, madali lang to! Bawat tirik na kanta, may sayaw. Ay, Mahat, Maria, Clara, Tien, Kochi Pagara. Okay guys, so ang lalaroin natin is Family Feud. Okay, so ito ang ating tatanungan. Magbanggit ng pagkain. Magbanggit! Ay, perfect! Magbanggit ng pagkain na laging nasa handaan. Go! Oh, saan? Okay, ang spaghetti ay top answer. Bakit birthday? Birthday. Okay. Wala, mali. Oo, pang turn. Ina na lang. Okay, next. Wala. Ano yun? 55. Plus fried chicken, 75. Wow! At kayo, nakuha niyo yung pansit which is 15 points. 147. 147. Alam mo na kung saan mahina po nila to. Omnivores! Omnivore! Diet! Ano ang tawag sa guhit na naghahati sa hilaga at timog ng mundo? Equator! Wow! Very good! Very good! Very good! May hati pala? Kung may 5 mangga ka at kinuha ko ang 3, ilan ang nasa iyo? Ang kapal na mukha mo! Ano ang tawag sa agham ng pag-aaral ng tao? Anthropology. Wow! Sa anong sitcom ang pinagmulan ng tambalang Marvin at Jolina? Tabing ilog? Hindi. Kung ayaw mo, wag mo. Hindi. XX lovers. Ano? May 5 letters sa title. Flames? Flames? Nar! Hindi flame lang yun. Activity? No. Activity? Ay, di ba yun na? Kimi! Kimi!
Hey guys, sana hindi kayo na-overwhelm sa pamilya namin kasi talaga kami kaingay.
Yung ball, tsaka yung car, character. Tapos lahat ng mga hindi ganito yung suit. Flower yun. Hindi may napuli. Basta lahat ng hindi ball, stick, or car, lahat yun, flower. Ang goal lang is makabuo ka ng 3. Tatlo nga, mami. Paano naging paano? Ang goal mo is makabuo ka ng 3, tapos may kicker ka na pair.
Basta may prayer. Ano ulit ang pagdagdag?
Ikaw naman ang lahat ng favorite.
Ano na form ka na?
Lagot ka na nang na. Ikaw ang favorite kasi.
Ay, even up talaga. Para saan ka ba ba? Siyempre sa breakfast buffet. Thanks, G. Susuyuin na. Susuyuin ni Lola. Lola. Hindi siya pa.
Hindi na ikaw ang favorite ko.
Sige.
Hindi ikaw ang favorite ha. Hindi rin ako.
Sige po.
O, ito kayo pala eh.
Ayun na si Lola, oh.
Gumawa na naman ng
Galing
eksena
din sila
sa...
breakfast buffet ng...
Toro family.
Valid portion. Okay.
Kasi bola, ako.
Sports. Dali. Ganyan ka na pa sa stage. Paano naman pa?
Guys, alam nyo ba? Magsuswimming sila ngayon. Kasi ang plano talaga for today is 2 PM. Pupunta dito yung photographer. So we can do a pictorial with the whole family, tas may certain color scheme, alam mo yun, yung parang cutesy-cutesy lang. Actually, idea ko talaga yung nagpasimula nun. Sabi ko, since 3 days, 2 nights kami, yung sa second night, mag-dinner na lang sa labas, yun na yung birthday dinner, early birthday dinner ng tito ko, si daddy. Sabi ko, what if lahat tayo mag-usap-usap na pare-pares ng kulay ng damit, tas may iba lang si daddy, mga ganon. Tapos, mag-picture na lang sa kung saan may self-shoot studio o photo booth. So, yun, nag-check na lang si tata ng studio, tapos mas mahal daw and ganon din. Tapos mapapagod lang sila, so nag-rent na lang sila ng photographer later. Supposedly, 10 to 12, nag-swimming kami, morning swim. Pero, crowded kasi sa pool right now. Rentado naman yung photographer. Sabi ni tata, pwede kaming yung mag-sariling photoshoot ng mga sub-unit. Kunwari, yung family namin, sila nang, ganun. Buti na lang, may boutique. And, naghanap ako ng top. Pagganto siya. Woo! Ilawas sa mga sangkap, magluluto tayo ng sinigang mga bata. Apron pala! Lipat kami doon sa kabilang room kasi mas maayos doon. Kasi parang ito yung naging family function room. So, doon tayo sa medyo matino na room magpipictorialan. And on the way na daw yung photographer. So, we're wearing beige type of shit.
Another fair relationship.
I'm so grateful for this creation of the Lord. Guys, ipaprank namin yung photographer. Kakatahan namin happy birthday pagpasok. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! So yung ibibenta ko namin yun. Natatakot na ako, ngayon pala.
Who was interested first? Who said I love you first? Who's more protective?
Soul feels half alive. I've looked for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a 4-way stop on a 1-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. That's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between. I didn't think I'd ever get this lonely.
Hi guys, so currently papunta kami, walking kami sa Ayala Triangle kasi samahan ko yung magdi-dinner. At nauna na doon sila daddy kasi katatapos lang namin sa shoot. Nagpa-extra shots kami. Kita nila yung office ko kasi likod lang yun ng office ko eh. Ayan na, nasa Ayala Triangle na kayo. Ayun, Ayala Triangle na yan. Ito ako nag-internship guys, industrial.
Isang ensaladang pako-pomelo at ayun pala, isang DIY halo-halo, isang upo, isang bingo pomelo.
Sino-sino yung mga yan?
Chocolate shake.
Oh, yung mga to Marketplace. May binili sila bago kami bumalik sa hotel. And then, swimming kami. Para lang masulit yung mga amenities ng... Kasi sayang naman itong vacation if hindi magsi-swimming, right? Walking lang kami from here sa door, ay sa hotel. Guys, hanggang 10 pa daw yung pool. So, we're gonna make the most out of it.
Hey, feels like I'm insane. I'm afraid to change. The pictures that I framed remind me of when the skies were blue. Chapter 32 is all just me and you, but the ceiling's falling through and all the screws are coming loose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. I got everything to lose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. Cause I've been chasing feelings but I'm running feeling too. I feel like crying, I feel like screaming, I feel like throwing up for no reason.
Mga convoy people. Bye guys! Diyan na po nagtatapos sa aming staycation dahil uuwi na po ako.
Cause it's